very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Today we are going to explore the third chapter of moral science, which is the presence of God. I hope you enjoyed the last two chapters and learned very important life lessons from those two chapters. In this chapter, we will learn about the concept that we know about God, that He is omnipresent. The word omnipresent literally means present everywhere. And this is true. We should not forget it. We should always remember it. And if tough time comes and our faith in God is rock solid, nothing can shake it, then He comes for our helps. Okay, our help. And save us from tough times. Just like He saved that sailor by putting his hut on fire. Okay, so there is a very beautiful story, the weight of a paper. You want to listen? Let's dive into it. The weight of a paper. So once upon a time it happened in a city that a shabbily dressed lady went to a shopkeeper, a grocery shop, and she asked very politely, in a very soft voice. She said with a lot of request and gratitude that my children are starving and I need some grocery, some important essential grocery items, but I don't have money because my carpenter husband is ill. Doctor is telling that he will be hell and hearty in a week, and I will return you the money in 10 days. But I need a few grocery items which are very essential. The shopkeeper laughed at her and scolded her for telling a lie. She told her just to go away, but she pleaded because she was in a need, so she requested him again and again. Then the shopkeeper, just for making fun of her, asked, "Do you also have got a list for your grocery? Do you have a grocery list?" Then she humbly said that, "Sir, I don't have a list because there were only 3-4 items, but if you want I can write it down immediately." So she took a paper and she wrote down the list, then gave to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper folded that list and just to make fun of her, what he did, he kept that list on one side of a scale. Okay, then that scale was like this, it went down, and that scale where something is kept went upward. Then he said, see how badly he treated her. He said that I will give you that much grocery, equal amount of grocery to the weight of this paper. How much this paper weighs, I will give you only that much grocery. And just to, very bad, I guess this behavior is, just to make the very fun of that lady, he picked up a packet of flour which was weighing 2 kilograms and just keep it on the balance. But to his and the lady's surprise, the balance didn't move at all. It was just like this when the paper was kept here and this was empty. After keeping the floor also, it is still like this. It was very amazing to see this. The shopkeeper sat for a while and then, full of shame and guilt, he just gave all the food items which she was asking for and calculated the money, made the bill, and told her that 260 rupees or something it is, come back in a few days and give it back to me. Okay, then when she went away with a very smiling face. She was happy, she was thankful to God, and she went away. But when he opened it, the paper, to see what was written here, there was written a few essential items of grocery like sugar, flour, pulses, and few essentials, milk powder for their kids. And then in the end, there was a note written on that paper that, oh God, my children are starving and I really need these grocery items. Please help me. Then the shopkeeper sat behind. The shock, baffling that God is there. Later on, when he examined that his balance, he found out that a spring had came out of all of a sudden. God have their own way, his own way of doing things. If you will have rock solid trust in him, he will always help you in many ways, even those ways which you even can't imagine. He will come and he will help you. Always. Whichever God you believe, doesn't matter. God is one. Me and the person living in South Africa, both are Homo sapiens. I also have the same type of genetic material, only the sequence is changed a little bit, but the organism is same. It cannot happen. Two different gods could have created us exactly the same. So God is one. Everything is created by Him. Religion wise, you can give any name, any face, any structure, any concept, but He is one. And if you believe in Him, no matter what name you give, what face you think of, what color you wear, but if you truly believe in Him, He will always be there for you. Thank you very much for watching this video till here. I bless you all with a very good day.